Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me nice comments in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. Today's video, excuse that I'm not wearing makeup in today's video. That is because I'm really lazy. I don't even want to put some makeup today. I just want to get done with my hair and lie on my bed and sleep all day because today is my wash day and honestly I've been tired. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So this hair mask, I got it a while ago. I've been using it, I've been mixing it with other hair masks. I've not used it on its own. I've been mixing it with other hair masks since I colored my hair, but today I decided to use it on its own and review for you guys so that I can share one or two bits of my thoughts on it. So that's what today's video is all about. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to leave me nice comments in the comment section below. So most of the products from this range which I've tried, I really love, from the shampoo, their leave-in conditioner, their hair treatment, their hair lotion and styler and all. I really like them, but I've not really got to trying this hair mask, and it's been on the market for a while as well, but I've not really got to try it, so I'm just trying it. I've used it a couple of times, but I've been mixing it with other hair masks to deep condition my hair, but this is the first time I'll be using it on its own to deep condition my hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I use it and share a bit of my thought on it. It comes in this tub that most Shea Moisture hair mask comes in. It contains 340 grams of product, which is the regular size of most Shea Moisture hair mask. It's kind of like brown in color and it smells so good. It smells like every other product in this range. How Shea Moisture have like same scent in all of their range, so this just has that sweet vanilla scent which all the products in this range are. So that's how it smells. So I'm going to jump into the demo now so that I can see how I use it and a bit of my thoughts on it. So okay guys, so this is my hair. It's dry and dusty and it's ready to be cleansed and conditioned. I first went in the shower to clean my hair with the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 multi-benefit shampoo, also from Shea Moisture. Then I'm going to be using the hair mask which I'm going to be reviewing today, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This hair mask, it has very nice scent, just like every product in the Jbco range. It has one of the most beautiful consistency I've ever seen in a hair mask. It's just good, well whipped and nice. Then I'm gonna put my hair in sections and I'm gonna start applying the hair mask to it. The first one I noticed is that because of the good consistency and how well whipped this hair mask is, I didn't have to use too much of it because it just like easily melt into my hair. So it wasn't like sitting on my hair or anything, it just like melt into it right away. So I didn't have to use too much of it to cover the whole of my head. So I'm just applying the hair mask. So once I was done with this section of hair, I moved on to the second section and applied the hair mask. And like I said, a little bit of this hair mask goes a long way. And can you guys see the new growth in my hair? When I was seeing this video, I didn't believe the new growth. Like, it's just wow me. Like, within 3 months of this hair coloring and I've had this like new growth. It's just good. It's good to see new growth, and it's easier to see when your hair is colored. So I'm kind of happy. So I'm just applying the hair mask and making sure that every bit of my hair is covered with it and working it really well into my hair. So once I was done applying the hair mask, I put my hair in hair ties and tied it up, and I used the clear deep conditioning cap to cover my hair and generate and trap it in my hair. And to further generate and trap it in my hair, I use cling film. I just wrap my head with a cling film. And then I went in with a towel, just so you can't get enough heat when you deep conditioning your hair, it's not excess. So I just use that for same purpose to generate and trap it on my hair. Then I'm going to leave these for about 30 minutes for it to work its magic, although I left it in my hair for more than an hour because I was busy running around the house. So this is my hair after rinsing the after about an hour of the hair mask being in my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair looked nourished and soft and conditioned. Okay guys, so this is my hair after rinsing the hair mask out. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair is really soft. It's like pillow soft. One of the reasons I do this hair mask is because my hair has been breaking so much lately. So I'm gonna like wait a wee bit and see how my hair goes on for a couple of weeks. I'm not gonna be uploading these videos soon. I'm gonna wait a wee bit before uploading it. So I'll leave some note here to let you guys know if my breakage has reduced or and things like that. So yeah, so that is it. I really like the hair mask. I like the results. My hair feels soft and moisturized and nourished and conditioned. Like my hair felt really hard, and there's just a big difference when you deep condition your hair from when you just shampoo it and leave it. A deep conditioner just like makes a big difference in your hair. So I'm gonna go in now with the Jbco leave-in, which is my holy grail like moisturizer ever. Like I just like this stuff. So I'm gonna go in with it to moisturize my hair and put my hair in a bit of protective style. Okay guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.